Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 lock screen when it is stuck or not unlocking. First, try a force shutdown. Press and hold the physical power button on your computer for about 15 to 20 seconds. Keep holding it until the screen turns completely black and you no longer hear any fan noise. After that, press the power button again to turn your device back on. This can fix temporary system glitches. If the screen is still stuck, press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut can force Windows to bring up the login screen, even if the lock screen is frozen. Another quick fix is to restart the graphics driver. Press the Windows key along with Ctrl, Shift, and B together. Your screen may flicker for a moment, which is normal. This refreshes the display driver and can fix issues where the screen is not responding. If you can see the lock screen but the password box is missing, look for the Sign In Options link. Click on it and switch between available methods like PIN or password. Sometimes one option may not load properly, but another one will work. Try each of these methods one by one until your system unlocks properly. Thanks for watching.